Okay, hi students. Today I'll discuss with carbonyl compounds. Okay, what is carbonyl group? C double bond O. Okay, this is the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group has one carbon and two oxygen with double bond. Two valencies are there. The two valencies, carbon exhibit tetravalency. Carbon can form, it is a 4 bonds. Now see here, it is a, okay, you have to see here, the two valencies, one valency is satisfied by H, another valency is satisfied by R. What is R? R is equal to alkyl, it is alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl or aryl group. This is called as aldehyde. Aldehyde. It is very important. See here. Next one it is a C double bond O. It is a see here. This one. This carbonyl group. So it is a R and this is R dash. For the sake of difference, I'll write it is a R dash. If two valencies are satisfied by alkyl or aryl groups, that is called as a ketones. Ketones. Next one, C double bond O. It is a this one. See all of you. So it is R as it is. Okay, it is a OH. What we observed here? One valence is satisfied by alkyl or aryl, another one is satisfied by OH. This is called as a carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids is very important. Next one, see here. C double bond O. It is this one. It is R. Okay. It is a X. X is equal to halogens. You have to see here. This is a one valence is satisfied by R, another valence satisfied by X. That is called as a acid halides. It is a acid halides. Acid halides. Next one. Suppose C double bond O. Okay, this one you have to see it is a R. Okay, one valence is satisfied by R, another one is satisfied by NH2. This is called as a amide. It is very important. Amide. Next one. It is this is for amide. Okay, this is for acid halides. Okay, carboxylic acids. Next one. It is a C double bond O. It is a R. Next one. It is a O and R dash. It is the ester. It is very important. Ester. Next one. CH3 C double bond O. It is a CH3 C double bond O. This one. This is called as a anhydride. It is a acid anhydride. You have to verify it here. Aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, acid halides, amides, ester, and anhydrides. All the compounds must be contains carbonyl group. It is a C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. And one more thing, it is a acid halides, amides, esters, anhydrides are derivatives of carboxylic acids. You have to remember. Now we are discussing about it is a aldehydes and ketones. It is very important, students. Aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Now first I'll discuss with the aldehydes. Okay. Aldehydes. Okay, first one it is a aldehydes. Okay, it is a nomenclature. Nomenclature. In nomenclature we have it contains two types. That is, one is a common system. It is a common system. Okay, common system and IUPAC system. IUPAC system. I think you know IUPAC. What is the meaning of IUPAC? International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Okay, this is very important. Suppose. Okay, I'll take one compound here. This one it is a CH3. Okay, it is a CHO. Okay, so this compound, it is a common name is a acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, in IUPAC system, it is a in suffix we are used as a all, all, not for all and all is different. So now it is a how many carbons here? 2 carbons. In these 2 carbons, it is a root word. It is a ethane plus it is a all. E is replaced by Al. Both are combined. You will get the name. That is a ethanol. It is a ethanol. The next one, second compound. See here, CH3. Okay, CH and CH3. It is a CHO. It is very very important in common system. This is the carbonyl functional functional group carbon, carbonyl carbon. Next carbon is called as a alpha carbon. Next carbon is called as a beta carbon. You have to see here. In alpha carbon, it is a methyl group is there. It is called as a alpha methyl. Alpha methyl. How many carbons here? 1, 2, 3. Propionaldehyde. 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 It is very important. In IUPAC system, you have to see there. It is taken is a numbering. It is a 1, 2, 3. Second position. It is a methyl. It is a 2 methyl. It is a 2 methyl. It is very important. 2 methyl propanol. This compound name is a 2 methyl propanol. It is very important. Okay, students. I'll give one more example. See all of you. Okay, it is a CH3, CH, it is a Br, CH2, it is a CHO, see here. So, I told clearly, this carbon, next carbon is a alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, this is a gamma carbon. Okay, bromine present at beta carbon, that's why it is a beta bromo, it is very very important. Beta bromo. How many carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a butyraldehyde. Butyraldehyde. It is a butyraldehyde. What is IUPAC name? Okay, numbering is given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position. It is a bromine. It is a 3 bromo. It is a 3 bromo. Okay. How many carbons in carbon chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a butanol. It is a butanol. Okay. So this is for nomenclature of it is a aldehydes. Okay. Next one. Nomenclature of aldehydes. Next ketones. Okay, next one, ketones. Okay, this is very important. Same, it is a compound. Okay, it is a compound Ca, common system. Next one, common, okay, Cn, sorry, common name and IUPAC name. IUPAC name. It is very important. Suppose first compound it is a CH3 C double bond O, it is a CH3. What is IU common name? Common name is a acetone. It is a acetone or okay. It is methyl. It is methyl. Okay. It is a 2 methyls are there. It is a dimethyl ketone. This is a dimethyl ketone. It is very very important. Next one. What is IUPAC name? It is a propanone. How many carbons here? 3 carbons. This is the propanone. It is a propanone. Next one. In case second compound, see here. CH3, C double bond O. Next one, it is a CH2. It is a CH3. And one more important point. Comparison between first and second compound. First compound is a symmetrical ketone. Symmetrical ketone means alkyl groups are same. It is methyl, it is a methyl. Okay, so this is the unsymmetrical ketone. Unsymmetrical, or it is a mixed ketone. It is a symmetrical or simple ketone. It is very important. So in this case, we have to write it is a this total group considers a ethyl group. It is methyl group. Okay, if two alkyl groups are present followed by alphabetical order, so it is methyl, it is ethyl. Which one is coming first in alphabetical? It is ethyl. It is a ethyl, ethyl, methyl. It is a ethyl, methyl. It is a ketone. It is very important. Ethyl methyl ketone. What is IUPAC name? Okay, numbering is starting from, for example, okay, see here, okay, left to right side. How to give in left to right side? 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. From right to left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. From left to right side, keto group, it is a carbonyl group at the second position. Right to left side, third position. High, according to IUPAC rules, higher priority is given to, it is a, okay, first rank. This is correct, this is wrong. Second position, it is a 2. Numbering you have to mention 2. How many carbons here? 4 carbons. That is a butanone. Butanone is the, okay. So this is for, it is a second compound of, it is a ketones. Suppose, see here, in case like that is there. Okay, C double bond O, it is a CH3. C double bond O, CH3. Okay, what is this IUPAC name? It is a common name. It is a acetophenone. It is a acetophenone. What is the IUPAC name? See here, 1, 2. This is the long chain. It is a one position. This is the phenyl group. That is a one phenyl. How many carbons in carbon chain? It is a 2 carbons. It is a ethanone. It is a ethanone. These are, it is a nomenclature of, it is a ketones. Now I will start the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. See here. Now I will start the preparation of okay, first one. First preparation, oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols. It is a very important preparation. It is very simple also. Oxidation of alcohols. Okay, it is very simple. If, okay, first condition, if 1 degree alcohols converts aldehydes. It is very important. If you will take this a 2 degree alcohols, okay, we will get ketones. It is a ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. If you will take, it is a 3 degree alcohols. There is no reaction. You have to remember. Okay. So it is a, if you take this a primary alcohol, you will get a, okay, oxidized. You will get, it is a aldehyde. If you take secondary alcohol, you will get ketone. If you take, it is a tertiary alcohol, there is no product. This is very important. Now I will discuss, it is a primary alcohol. See all of you, that is a RC. Okay, it is a RCH2. It is a OH. RCH2. It is OH. It is a primary alcohol. You know this one. What is primary alcohol? So R means maybe it is a, okay, R means is the alkyl group. Maybe it is a CH3, for example. So OH group attaching carbon is attached to one carbon, that is called as a primary alcohol. In presence of, it is very important. It is a PCC or PDC. These are is a mild reducing agents. That is a PCC. What for PCC? Pyridium. Okay. Pyridium chlorochromate. Pyridium chlorochromate. What for PDC? It is a pyridium dichromate. It is very, very important. PCC. What for full form of it is a PCC? It is a CR. It is a C here. It is a structure. Okay, I think it is a C5H5NH plus and the CrO3 Cl minus. This is the structure of it is a PCC, pyridium chlorochromate. PDC, pyridium dichromate. That is a C5. It is a C5. It is a H5. C5H5. It is NH. Cr2O7. It is a NH and Cr2O7. You have to remember. Okay. So same thing. Already we learned in alcohols. If you take primary alcohols, strong oxidizing agent like it is a KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, it is a primary alcohols are converting into acids. But here primary alcohols are converting into aldehydes. If you can use, it is a PCC or PDC. What for PCC? This is a, okay, so this one is a PCC or PDC. It converts, see here, CH3. Okay, so it is a CHO. You have to verify here oxidation. What is the meaning of oxidation? Okay, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. You have to see here. Okay, CH3, CH2. How many hydrogens here? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, but it is a 3 plus, okay, 1, 4 only. What you observed here, hydrogens are removed. That's why, so this is the, okay, so simple primary alcohol. Primary alcohols are converting into aldehydes, okay, in presence of PCC or PDC. I'll take one more example. You have to remember, okay, if you take primary alcohols, aldehydes. If you take secondary alcohols, ketone. If you take tertiary alcohols, there is no product. It is very, very important. You have to remember. Okay, next one. I'll give one more example. See all of you. One more example. See, it is a CH3, CH2, CH. It is a CH3. Next one, it is a CH2, it is a OH. In presence of PCC or it is a PDC. PCC or PDC. It is also primary alcohol. It is very, very important because of, you have to see here, this carbon is attached to one only. It is attached to 3 carbons. That's a different case. This is the tertiary carbon. This is the primary carbon. We are considered as a primary only. This is the primary alcohol. Okay, it converts, what is the product here? CH3, CH2, next one it is a CH and CH3, it is a CHO. What is IUPAC name here? It is a 2-methyl. This is the 2-methyl, it is a butanol, that's all. Okay, this is for it is a oxidation of primary alcohols. Next one, okay, see here, next one. See all of you. Next one. If you take is a secondary alcohols. If you take secondary alcohols, what happened here? In secondary alcohol, CrO3 in gaseal acetic acid. CH3, CH2, it is a CH, it is a OH. Next one, it is a CH3. Okay. In presence of CrO3 in glacial acetic acid. It is very, very important. Glacial means it is a pure, in terms of it is a pure acetic acid. CrO3, it can act as an oxidizing agent. The first one, PCC, PDC can act as an oxidizing agent. chromium trioxide in glacial acetic acid. It can act as a oxidizing agent. Glacial means it is a pure. It is very very important. We have to see here. Okay, allied like that. It is a hydrogen. Next one. It is a hydrogen. Here bond breaking. Here bond breaking. These two are combined. H2 is eliminated. I told so many times. It is a when. Okay, if two sigma bonds are lost, we will get one pi bond. If one pi bond lost, we will get two sigma bonds. It is vice versa. Okay, so that's why it is a two sigma bonds are lost, we will get one pi bond in between carbon and oxygen. Okay, pi bond, here one sigma bond, here one sigma bond. You will get what is the compound here? It is a CH3, CH2. Next one, C double bond O. It is a CH3. So it is a 2-butanone. It is a 2-butanone is formed. Okay, it is a 2-butanone. It is very very important. Oxidation of alcohols. Once again I can repeat. Okay, that is a oxidation of alcohols. Primary alcohols converting into aldehydes. Secondary alcohols converting into it is ketones. And one more important point, if you take primary alcohols, primary or secondary, we are using KMnO4 or it is a strong oxidizing agent, KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7. Okay, you have to use that oxidizing agent. It can convert it is acids. So we are using mild oxidizing agent. This is the mild oxidizing agent, PCC and PDC. It is a mild oxidizing agent. That's why it converting into aldehyde. That's all. This is the oxidation of alcohols. Okay. Next one. See here. This is the name reaction. This is a very 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 important. Okay. So name reaction. All name reactions. Open or oxidation reaction. Open or oxidation reaction. Okay. Open or oxidation reaction. I told so many times, name reactions are very very important in every chemical reactions. In open or oxidation reaction, what happened? If a compound contains two oxidizable center, one center cannot affected by oxidation, only one center can be converting into, it is a one center undergoes oxidation. This process is called as a open or oxidation. Okay, I'll give one example, then you can understand this one. Okay, now see here, CH2, see here, it is a CH2 double bond CH, single bond, it is a CH and OH, it is a CH3. It is very very important. So now see here, it is unaffected by, it is it is specified alcohols. Okay, so see here, in presence of, it is very very important, in presence of CH3, okay, CO, okay, CO, it is a CH3, sorry, CH3 taken, it is a thrice, CO whole to the power taken thrice, it is a aluminum. It is very very important. Once again I'll write clearly. See here on arrow marker, it is open or oxidation reaction. Open or oxidation reaction, CH3 taken thrice, CO whole to the power taken thrice, it is a aluminum. It is very very important. Same, what you observe here? It is one oxidizable center, it is also one oxidizable center. The double bond there is no affecting, only its alcohols are converting into aldehydes. That's all. So sorry, alcohols are converting into ketones because of it is a secondary alcohol. Am I right? I told clearly, primary alcohol converting into aldehydes, secondary alcohols are converting into ketones. Okay, so this one, that is CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O, and CH3 is formed. It is very very important. What is this IUPAC name? See all of you, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. triple bond in between, double bond in between 3 and 4, that is a 3E, okay, 2-butanone, 2-butanone. This is a open hour oxidation reaction. It is very simple, listen carefully. In open hour oxidation reaction, that is the secondary alcohols are directly converting into ketones without affecting of double bond. That is called as a open hour oxidation reaction. This is very important. All named reactions are very important reactions. That's all.